It's early spring here in zone 7A, so for me it's time to remove old leaves from flower beds. Yes, it is a great idea to leave them in place. They are a natural mulch. But I put heaps of leaves to protect my roses during winter. I need to rake them out to give my roses a good spring feeding. This rake is for kids, and it's perfect. It is narrow so I can work in tight spots, but the handle is long so I can easily reach behind the thorny stems. And I recently bought this potting mat and repurposed it as a dustpan. It's flexible, small, easy to carry, and I can get rid of all the leaves from the grass in no time. If you're not adding plants, keep the leaves to nourish the soil. But if you want to clean up fast and get growing, this is how I do it. Now the beds are clear and I'm ready to feed the roses and get those new plants in the ground. Happy gardening!